Hey, friends, ever wanted to flex on your friends by sending your very own custom GIF during chats, or perhaps make your favorite character groove to your tune? First off, let us crack the mystery of AnimateDiff. In simple terms, AnimateDiff takes your written prompt and, using an est model, magically converts it into a video. Yup, not an image, but a full-blown video. Ready to craft a heartwarming video of a happy girl frolicking in the meadows? Follow me. Step 1: choosing your mighty est model. I'm going with XX. Click select to pick your warrior. If Laura and V sound like a secret code, don't fret. They're just our little helpers in making the video magic happen. Clueless about them? Head to our previous videos for some enlightenment. Step 2. Enter prompt to describe the video you want to generate. Type in those magical phrases like best quality, masterpiece, realistic, long hair. 1 award off certain elements. Use the negative prompt as your magical shield. You can directly copy some of the examples TensorArt provides you. Step 3. Set the aspect ratio and sampling. Pick from Tensor's 3 preset aspect ratios or tailor-make your own. Sampling: play around, the differences are subtle. Set your sampling steps to 30 to weave that prompt seamlessly into your video. And hey, for you pro members out there, up the ante with even more steps to harmonize your prompt and video even further. For the CFG scale, a sweet spot is usually 7, go higher for a deeper merge of video and prompt, and go lower to let the AI jazz it up. As for seed, keep it clean, no input needed. Step 4. Fine-tune the AnimateDiff settings. Number of frames is all about your video's duration, while FPS sets the rhythm. So, with our current setup of 16 frames at 4 FPS, you're looking at a smooth 4-second clip. Tweak to 8 frames and 8 FPS, and you've got a snappy 1-second video. Click generate, behold the magic unfold. We've also tried other free online GIF generation websites. Currently, only TensorArt and PixAI support GIF generation, so let's take a look at some comparison images. 1. A smiling girl running on the grassland. 2. A girl in a dress turning around with a smile. 3. A man in a suit doing the moonwalk dance. 4. A fireworks show. To understand their main differences, you can refer to the following table. AnimateDiff is evolving. Currently, it's only vibing with SD 1.5 models, and not SDXL model. It might not whip up a video that follows every tiny dance move in your prompt. But hey, video generation with stable diffusion is getting spruced up at lightning speed. Stay tuned for all the deets. And before you dash, hit that follow button for more stable diffusion goodies. What I want to say at the end of the video is that, as we all know, there are currently not many good options on the market that support online graphics and text-to-video except stable diffusion and comfy UI. PixAI is one of the good choices. You can explore more and compare, then make your own decision.